Hey everyone, Laura here, Mother for Jesus. Today is a beautifully sunny day here in North Carolina and we need it. We have had so much rain and I know much of the country has dealt with some really apocalyptic weathering events, right? So I'm just so happy that we've got sun now. You might hear some trucks passing by. I'm videotaping in our schoolroom. So this month has been a crazy month. We have been so busy. My daughter competes in gymnastics. Both of my children tested for their green belts in Taekwondo. And actually my youngest child, my fourth, he turns 10 today. So double digits today. He's my last child and I just cannot believe he's 10. The time goes by so quickly. So he's actually out and that's why I have some peace and quiet here in my home. My husband took him out to lunch today and to go play some video games. So now I can kind of do this video really quickly. So what's going on with my website? Well, not really much. We've just been so busy. I haven't been able to blog the way I wanted, but I do have a planner for March and I do want to be consistent in putting planners, but I am going to be putting up undated planners. And the reason being is that you can reuse those planners for any month you want. So if you like a design that I'm using, go ahead and use it a couple of months. Nobody cares. So, but don't worry, I'm also going to be including the stickers you need to put the numbers and to date them. But I did want to feature a wonderful digital graphic designer today, Janelle from Chantahlia Designs. She creates a lot of beautiful theme sets, elements, scrapbooking pages, and has them all on her website for free. And she uses the same colors, so we're not dealing with 1,000 different hex codes. So if her green in her elements is the same green that she'll use throughout all of her designs. And I'm actually going to take you to her website next and show you how to navigate her site, because this month's theme for March, I used her squirrel set. It's a cute set. But I didn't download a lot of her extra graphics because they're hers. And you can go there and you can go ahead and download them. I don't even think she requires that you subscribe. So if she has some bunting or banners that you want to use, you can just download whatever you want. And she really does have it set up in a very convenient way. I know that I have memberships to web. Hi everyone, Laura here, and here I am right on Janelle's site, Chantalia Designs, and as you can see, she has it set up. This is a new set that she just came out with. I forgot to mention, she has a new theme set, backgrounds, elements every week. So I think they come out Sunday night. So if you tap along the top, you see colors. She lives in Australia, so that's why her spelling is slightly different, but she is very considerate of the American holidays, which I really love that. So these are the 36 base colors that she uses. These never change. She uses them in different formats, but any element that you download, she has 36 color set elements. These are elements that she does not include in her theme sets. So if you download bows, right? If you find an aqua bow, it's going to match the planner that or the color that you're using. These are her color combinations. She has more than this. This is just to give you some example, the different variations. Now, if you tap along the top next to colors, you'll see there's theme sets. This she did because she started creating themed sets. So as you can see, she kind of categorizes it, and backyard barbecue, basketball, everything down, coffee, cooking, dainty flowers. She's got Easter chicks, Easter faith. She's got fireworks. She's even got the 4th of July for those of us here in America. She has a lot. So this month I have used her up here at the squirrel set. So I downloaded her squirrel set. In the stickers, I did not use any of her elements in the stickers because you can come here and download what you want. For example, as you can see, she has the squirrel's washi tape. I'm going to tap on that. I have never been a fan of washi tape, even when I used planners and stickers before I went digital. So for those of you who like washi tape, she has them all set up here for you, and you can download that. I also, I did download this particular set, and we'll probably use the bunting, maybe if I decorate my own page, I don't know. Some people like to do that, some people don't. You can come here and just download it. So let's say you're looking for something that is not in her elements. So if you go to her element set, if you hit the 36 color set, she has so many different things in here that you can use and all the colors match. So let's say you're looking for, I don't know, let me see. I know she has a lot of great things in here that you can use for planners, but I'm just looking for something that you might want to use that wouldn't be in her set. So, okay, so let's say you're going to make your own planner. You're like, you know what? I'm going to make my own planner. I'm not going to use Laura's. That's fine. So you would tap on this and you would download it. And so the set that I use, the squirrels, if you tap on that, she even tells you the colors she uses. So I think she uses the sea green and beige. So when you download this brush metal tab set, that beige will match the beige in the themed set, also the sea green. So it's really easy. It's easy to mix and match what you need to create what you want. And so I'm going to be giving you guys the planner, but if you guys want to decorate it up or fix it anyway, you go right ahead and do that. So this is the planner I have for you guys for this month. You can see I don't have the month on the front because you can use it for any month you want. Here is how I have set up the monthly. I have it set up as a Monday start. You can cover that up. I'm using the font Noteworthy. So Noteworthy is the basic font that I use on all of my planners because it's a free font, it's a great font, it's versatile, it's cute, but you can read it. Nothing irritates me more than downloading a planner, looking at the font and going, this is annoying. Some of them are just a little too fancy for digital planners. I love calligraphy, but not necessarily on my planner. So the font I'm using is Noteworthy, so you can go ahead and customize your planner any way you want. As in the past, I leave my dailies blank. And the reason why is because in the stickers, which you will get, you can go ahead and customize your daily any way you want. I've highlighted the day you're on because with 31 tabs, it's easy to think that you are setting up your day for the 19th of March, only to realize that you were on the 22nd. So whatever date you're on, there's a little highlighter and you'll know where you are. Now, for the weekly, I set it up pretty much in the same way, but slightly different in that I don't have them dated and I left the blank areas on the side blank. You can use it to decorate, you can put lists there, you can just do whatever you want to do. I like to have my Saturdays and Sundays separate, so they're at the bottom, and I just tossed in the acorns so that you can just put your date there, March 1st, 2nd. I just thought it was cute. So now normally, I don't know why, but I've always given you guys 6 weeklies. I don't know why. We don't need 6 weeklies. So this is just another blank section. I left it blank. So if you wanted to keep track of something else, maybe your chores for your kids, you can do it here. Again, you tap and then there's your stickers. Then these are your blank 6 areas that you can go ahead and customize any way you want. And then if you tap, we're at our templates. And I've included a blank template, lined template. This I kind of use as a menu plan when I menu plan. This is an alternate weekly. This is a daily. This is just an example. Timed. I have one not timed with the water trackers. I have water trackers in my stickers, so this is another menu. This is if you're really keeping tabs on what you're doing. Actually, this one's also really good if you are tracking your meals for weight loss. Yeah, I do that. So same thing here. Here's another one. This is more my speed. I tend to only menu plan for dinner. Breakfast and lunch is, we fly by the seat of our pants here for that. And of course, my grocery list. I love my grocery list. So I offer my grocery list in 2 designs, this one and this one. Use whichever one you want. I love them. And one of the things I wanted to mention is when I have my grocery list, I don't have my iPad with me. So a lot of the times what I'll do is I will screenshot it or export. If you tap on the top, you can export this page as an image. And when I do that, I bring it to my phone, and so I can scroll and open it while I'm shopping and kind of have my list on my phone as a photo. So that's just one idea. And so these I use as trackers, and again, they're not titled. I have 2. I use these also for attendance. I'm a homeschooler, and a lot of moms I know like these. And this is a really good idea for your water tracking, your exercise tracking, your Bible reading tracking, whatever you want to use. I also offer these as stickers. For parents who have like 4 students homeschooling, you can keep track of your attendance. So again, this is a school planner. You can use this any way you want. I have 8 subjects, 7 subjects, 6 subjects. And then there's the last page. So it's really easy to download and use my planners. And I am hoping to be posting more than once a month with undated planners, so you can just pick and choose the ones you want to use any month you want. So go give Janelle at Chantalia Designs some lovin' and enjoy her website. Happy planning. Okay, so this month I did not upload a GoodNotes specific file, and the reason being is, in order for me to do that so that you have all your stickers, is I have to bring in all the stickers, line them up really pretty, and make sure that they're ready for you guys. And I just did not have the time to do that. And also, because I'm including 2 different sets of dated stickers, you might not use all of them, and you might not necessarily want them in your planner. Some people do prefer to just pull the stickers in from a file. So when you download, you're gonna get your PDF, and I'm on my iPad Pro, and I think for many iPad users, you can actually pull up and have the side-by-side screening. And so that's what I have. I have GoodNotes and my files on one side. So when you tap on it, you're gonna see some stickers. So they're pretty much, oh, great, okay. So these are check boxes and boxes that you can use for your dailies, weeklies, whatever you wanna use. These I use, like I tap on this. These I actually use for keeping financial trackers. And so let's say I want to keep track of my spending, I'm going to pull that one in, right? Whatever colors I want. And that's how you do that. So I have the corner boxes, which I use just to make little notes. These are some cute little trackers. I actually made these in Keynote. I do need to learn how to lower my DPI images. I feel like my images are very graphic heavy, especially for GoodNotes. So, I'm gonna learn how to do that, so bear with me. So you can pull in the stickers that you're gonna use, so this gives you an idea on what you can do to set up your dailies. Back here I have more check boxes. Now these are the ones I create. I also create these in Keynotes. They're titled on top. These are just decorator shapes, and you can use them depending on how you size them as check boxes. This is set 1 of the planner dates, and you can see that I have all of them up to 31, whether you need them or not, and then I have a blank one for you to use. And then this is the second dates that I have. One thing I wanted to mention is Janelle, again, at Chantalia Designs, has numbers, and I'm actually gonna show you that next. And you can download her sets as well. And I think hers are metal numbers. I'm not sure, I have to look. But again, her colors will absolutely match any of the planners that I use her designs on. So these are other trackers, and these are my water trackers that I made. And then you saw in the templates, these are the individual stickers for the trackers. So you can see I have that there. And these are just some extra water trackers in case you don't like the ones I have in there. And then I just had some fun with this. Keep calm and get your Irish on. So I just went ahead and decorated these up in the colors to match. These are just some other things I made. If you have a birthday you're celebrating, I try to include 2 colors, girl, boy. These are some other ones I've made. And this one, I just love this. Let the shenanigans begin. I have a friend of mine who uses that word all the time. So when I saw this, I thought of her. So these are just some fun stickers that I created. Again, you can go over to Janelle's site, Chantalia Designs, and download a lot of her graphics. I used, let me see, what did I use here? On the monthly, I just have a couple of her little squirrels. Oh, excuse me, wow, that's bad. All right, let me see, there we go. On the monthly, I just used a couple of her little squirrels back there. They're just so cute. So, alrighty. So I just wanted to show you that. Now, the next video I'm going to show you guys is going to be, how you subscribe to my blog for the password. So this way nobody has any problems with that. But last, this is what I wanted to show you. So for this planner that I made this month, one of the colors she used was the sea green, and then as you can see, these are the calendar numbers. I mean, she really just makes it so easy for us. So, all right, guys, so have a great time and happy planning.